Hello everyone, in today's topic I'm going to show you about HTML audio by using audio element. The audio element is defined by audio tag, and inside this audio element we're going to specify alternative audio files by using the source attribute. This source attribute requires two most important attributes: the source attribute that defined by src, and the second most important attribute is type attribute. The source attribute is used to specify the path to the audio address or location. I already prepared here in my project folder. I prepared audios, and this audio location is in the same directory with index.html file. So just type the audio name, choose the horse.mp3, and besides the type attribute I'm going to specify the audio type. The audio type is just type audio / and here I'm going to indicate the audio format. The audio format is mp3, just type mp3. Save it. Nothing will display in our browser because the browser doesn't display or show the controls by default. So to enable the controls here, I'm going to indicate the controls attribute. Save it. Now you get the play button, the duration, shaking bar, and the volume icon. Here I'm only provide the mp3 audio file. Maybe some browser doesn't support mp3 audio format, so it is better to provide multiple audio formats. In my project folder, I already prepared similar audio with different formats by mp3 format, OGG, and the WAV format. So here, just copy this source element and paste it twice. And as the audio name is quite similar, just change the audio format. Change it to OGG. The last one, change it to WAV. Again, change here the type attribute, change it to OGG, and for this one, change it to WAV format. Save it, it works. But if the browser doesn't support any of the audio provided inside the audio element, we provide the fallback text. Just we're gonna type anything we want here. I'm gonna type your browser doesn't support audio. Save it. It will not display here because this text is only display if the browser doesn't display or doesn't recognize any audio provided over here. The browser displays the first recognized audio format, but if it doesn't recognize any of them, it's gonna display the text over here. And when I click this play button, it will start playing the audio. But if I wanted to start the audio playing automatically, here I'm gonna specify the autoplay attribute. Save it and refresh the page. The audio won't start playing automatically because almost all browsers doesn't support autoplay audio on the video as well. To play the audio automatically, we should mute the audio here. Just add the muted attribute and save it to start automatically, but the audio is muted. It doesn't make sense for audio, but it is very good for video. And if you wanted to loop the audio again and again, you can use the loop attribute here. This loop attribute is used to play the audio repeatedly. If it finishes the audio playing and it starts over again. This is all about HTML audio. Thanks for watching.